Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED Lightbar Taillight installation guide for 2017 to 2018 Ford F250 SuperDuty. The tools needed are a ratchet extension, and an 8mm socket. Let's begin by opening the tailgate. Then locate and remove these two 8mm bolts. Unseat the light. Please note that the light is secured at an angle. Do not try to pull it out towards the rear or the side, but rather in between both. Then unclip the wiring harness. There are a total of 3 plugs. On the OEM taillight, remove the reverse socket, then remove the reverse bulb. On the Spyder taillight, plug the LED connector into the OEM reverse socket, then push the wires into the housing and secure the socket into place. Connect the wiring harness, then seat the new Spyder taillight. Reinstall the two 8mm mounting bolts. Close the tailgate and your installation is completed. Congrats! You just installed your Spyder Auto LED Lightbar Taillights on your SuperDuty. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.